I think one of the things going back to sort of thinking about load testing as a constant concern, but even if you don't, pretty much even after holidays over, there's basically you have 1 year to prepare again. And so sort of there isn't really, don't think of it as a season. The whole year is the entire season to prepare. And so, we typically kind of bear down closer to like, July and August is sort of when we sort of ramp up and think about the load testing thing again. But honestly, like we are moving towards trying to have that load testing mindset constantly. And so, one of the things that we need to think about is with load tests, especially for holiday season, be very mindful of what the data might be, because your traffic today might not be the same as the traffic during holiday. And so that's sort of some of the things that we think about a little bit. Yeah, I mean, one of the other things that we also think about is sort of getting a baseline for critical services. So understanding like, this application here, made it through holiday, but we load tested it. It can handle 5K sessions. Let's say we need, like next holiday, maybe we'll be double. So we need to make sure it handles 10K sessions. And then sort of that planning starts in January or February. And because not all these things can be done overnight. And so sort of thinking about it early, planning for the architectural changes, thinking about like, oh, hey, we need to add caching to this one, add caching to that one. That's the sort of, things to sort of help plan ahead so that, when you start to really hit the load tests in September, you're not going to see any last minute changes you might have to put in.